Hey, this is Ralph back with another video giving you a list of 5 things to look out for when considering an affiliate program. First thing is the company reputable? There's a lot of good things out there online, a lot of things that look good online. But the thing to keep in mind is that there are a lot of companies out there that are here today and gone tomorrow. And that is no way to build your future. You don't want to be building with a company that might be scamming out on you and everybody else with no notice. Check the company out first. Are they reputable? Are the owners reputable? Do they offer high quality products? Not just low price, high quality and reasonably priced products. And if the company is reputable, if the owners are honest, then move on to number two. Number two is the compensation plan easy to understand? Can you explain it to somebody by writing it down on a napkin? That's the ultimate test for me. There are a lot of plans out there that are overly complicated, and there's a reason why those plans are overly complicated. It's because the more complex the compensation plan, the higher the likelihood that the affiliates will not be able to understand it. And that way, the company is going to be making money, more money from the affiliates when they leave money on the table by not doing everything exactly right. Make sure that the compensation plan is very easy to understand. And I mean, if you can't write it down on a napkin and give it to somebody to read and understand, then I would say that would not be a compensation plan that I would be interested in. Might work for you if you're a Philadelphia lawyer, like my dad used to say, then yeah, you might like something like that. I like it simple. Number three, is it affordable for you to join and to maintain? There are some affiliate programs out there that are free to join. They don't give you a whole lot of training, they don't give you a lot of resources, but they're free to join. And if you don't mind, struggling on your own and figuring it out all by yourself, you might do pretty well with that. There are other affiliate programs that give you more training, more help, more support, and they do have a modest entry fee and monthly membership fee to keep all that support going for you. But the thing that you need to understand and ask yourself is this compensation, is this affiliate program affordable for me where I'm at right now? Like if it's $10 a month, okay, most people can afford that. Maybe some people can't. Other programs I've seen, it's like $3,000 to $5,000. Not per month, but $3,000 to $5,000 to get in on. And a lot of people can't afford that, but they will max out their credit card because they think they're going to be making money in the next 30 days and that they'll be able to pay it back, right? Well, the truth is that most people do not make much money in affiliate programs, in network marketing programs, indirect sales. And the reason for this is not because they got involved in a scam. The reason is that in order to make money by selling affiliate programs and other programs out there, you have to get good at making sales. You have to get good at finding people that are interested, sharing with them the offer, and then closing the deal. Seeing if they're interested in closing the deal. Most people don't know how to do that. It is an art that is learned over time. I am convinced anybody can learn the art of sales. And once you learn the art of sales, you can do quite well in it. But what most people do is they get involved in something. And if they're not making money in the first 7 days, 30 days, 60 days, they quit. They're out of there. A lot of people just can't bear to hear the word no over and over again. And in any kind of sales profession, you are going to hear the word no a lot. So if you want to get good at sales, you have to learn the art of being good at sales. And that's where training comes in. That's where mindset development comes in. And the good affiliate programs out there will give you that kind of training, that kind of mindset coaching and mentoring. And that's why a lot of these free programs, they look lucrative because it doesn't cost money to join, but they don't give you a lot of that support. And so a lot of people fail even with the free things because, yeah, they give up. And yeah, you need to be coachable. You need to be open to learning the skill, the art of sales. And then you have to stick with it until you get it. And, some people, they may get it within the first couple of weeks and start making sales. Other people may take like 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Other people may struggle with it for years and not make a sale, not make a dime. Results are never typical in direct sales, in affiliate marketing, in network marketing, in any kind of online program out there. Results are never typical. Just because you got a friend that's making like 6 figures a month at a certain company, selling a certain supplements or whatever, does not mean that you're going to be able to do it too. You're two different people, two different skill sets, two different mindsets, two different work ethics. Results are never typical. So ask yourself, is this program affordable for me to join right now? And is it affordable for me to stick with it long term? Because if you want to be successful with something, you've got to be willing to stick with it long term. And if you don't, just give up, throw in the towel, you're not going to make it. You're just not going to make it. My fourth point here, this consideration, do they pay high commissions? Because if you're going to struggle, and as a lot of people do, to learn the art of sales, once you make a sale, is it going to be high enough to keep you interested, or is it just going to be like pennies on the dollar? Personally, I like looking at things that are paying like 50% commission, 60% commission, on up to 80% commission. When it gets over 80% commissions, I get a little skeptical because I ask myself the question, is the program long term? Like if they're paying out 90% commissions or 100% commissions or even 200% commissions. I've seen some companies out there that claim to be paying like 200 and 300% commissions. Makes me ask the question, how can they afford to do that? And it makes me question, how long term is that company going to be? Is it going to be a company that's going to be here today and then bankrupt tomorrow? And if you want to build a future with a company, you want to make sure it's long-term sustainable. So yeah, do they pay high enough commissions to keep you interested, to keep you in the game? If you got like a $10 a month opportunity and it's paying $8 commissions, I would say that would definitely be enough to keep me interested. Make a couple sales a month, hey, you're in profit. So yeah, not bad. And then my fifth point, do they pay not just high commissions, but do they pay recurring commissions? And that is the real game changer for me. If they pay recurring commissions, what that means is you make one sale. You don't get paid just once on that sale. You get paid month after month after month for as long as your customer remains a paying customer in that program. So like you'll see these things offered in like memberships, subscriptions, things that are that people pay for monthly. And if they pay recurring commissions, that means that you bring a person in and they look it over, they like the products, they like the company, they decide to stay with it long term. You're not just making like, one commission a month. I mean, one commission and that's it. You're making commissions off that one customer month after month after month after month. You build up a team of customers in an offer like that. And you can get to the point where you win not just your financial freedom, but your time freedom. So those are my 5 things to be mindful of. 1, is the company reputable? 2, is the compensation plan easy to understand? Can you explain it on a napkin? 3, is it affordable for you to join and to maintain your active membership in? 4, do they pay high commissions? And 5, do they pay high recurring commissions? You find a company that ticks off all those boxes, I'd say that company is a real keeper. If you want to take a look at what I do, check my affiliate link down below. I am in a company that definitely ticks all those boxes, and we have a $10 level that pays $8 recurring commissions. We got a $25 level that pays $20 recurring commissions and gives you the best funnel builder I have seen. And then we got a $125 level that pays $100 recurring commissions, gives you a boatload of training. And and of course, results are never typical. There are a lot of people that pay, even with our program, who never make much money at all. But, if you've got the right mindset, if you're coachable, if you're willing to learn, and you're willing to stick it out and stay with it until you start seeing results, this definitely can work for you. I've been with this company now for 2 years, getting a lot of value out of them, learning a lot. And I've been working from home successfully since 2011. So I've been in this industry for a while, and I am still learning new things in this company. So check it out down below. So this is Ralph signing out. Thanks for dropping by. Catch you in future updates. Take care. So long.